Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami minigun. You want to get a square piece and fold it in half. Basically, just make an 8x8 grid. And this piece is already folded, I'm just going over it again to show. And then just do that again. Alright, now you should have an 8x8 grid. And then what you're just going to want to do is take these edges and just run along them so that they turn into points. Flip the paper over and bring this edge to this crease line. And just do that all around the paper. Flip it over again and do the same thing. Bring this edge to this crease line. And just collapse it like that. Flatten it out. And take it like this. And fold. And then do it the other way. Alright. And that's just to make it so that it doesn't get all wrinkled in the center. Now, flatten it out. You're going to want to put 3 of these points back. And then you're going to want to, on both of these sides, flatten this side out. Like that. And then for this side, you're just going to want to come in here where the center square is and press down right here so that it comes out like that. So now, this will be the magazine, or the bullets. This will be the front handle. This will just be filler to make the gun look bulkier, and this will be the handle. And then this will be the barrels. And then once you do that, you take the whole thing and fold it in half where the handle is on top. Fold it like this, all the way in half. And then from there, you're going to want to fold this part up. As well as this one. So now you got it like that. And what you're going to want to do is, on this crease line right here, do a zigzag fold, like that. So, like that. And then you want to fold these corners in. And after you do that, you take one of these whole sides and fold it in. And there's no specified length or width for this, so it doesn't have to be exact. But just get it so that both of these sides are folded in like that. And then once you're there, fold the whole thing in half. Again, take this little point, fold down like that, and fold it. And then you just want to push it down flat inside so that now the top of this is flat. And then fold it in half again. And then you also want to, for this one, just fold it down a little bit so that it's at an even height with the handle. Just like that. Alright. And then making the handle is pretty easy. You just take it and fold it over, up, and over like that, and then down, and boom, that's the handle. You just square it off, make sure it looks nice, and then, so yeah, that's the handle all done. And then for the ammo clip, you take this and you just fold it like this. And for the bullets, there's no specific width that they have to be, so you just want to fold it up and just make a bunch of zigzags down it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just like that. And then what you're going to want to do is on each zigzag you hold this kind of upwards. Yeah, just fold each of those up. And all these models I make, they can be made with printer paper. So, yeah. And then just on each of those, you do a little inside fold. And then just make everything look nice. Once I do the ammo clip. And then for the handle, the minigun has like a curved back to it, so you just kind of like do an outside reverse fold like that. And then, yeah, just do like that. And then you want to do a small zigzag fold. Doesn't have to be precise at all, just make it so that it's big enough to where you can fold in the sides again, just like we did with the handle. Fold those sides in, and then after that you just take this little corner right here again and fold it inwards. So the top is flat. Fold it all in half. And then you want to kind of bring it up like this, so that's got a little bit more curve to it. So you'd be like holding it right here and then pulling the trigger right here, just like that. And then now the hardest part is the barrel. So at this part right here, this crease, You want to do another small zigzag fold. And it's going to be smaller than these other ones because we need a lot of different barrels. So take this, fold it like that, fold in the corners again, and then just bring it all in. It doesn't have to be a huge fold, it just has to be enough to make you notice that there's a ledge there. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Oh, and I also forgot, you want to fold this part in like that, so that we have a flat top. And then maybe for extra measure, just so that this point doesn't do anything annoying, fold it up. Yeah. And it's not perfect, but it will do. And then, once you've got those two corners folded in, the distance from this middle line right here to these edges is where you're going to want to make another mountain fold. And just kind of run it along at the halfway point. And do the same thing on this other side. Wish I'd made this paper flatter, but it'll still work. And then after that, you just want to make it so that at that new crease that you just made, you want to kind of fold it in like that, so that it'll go in and make a second down valley fold in between them. And this part is totally optional. You can just skip out on making the barrels entirely, and it'll still look good. You just have to do different things. And after that, you do the same thing, but with this mountain fold that you just made in this middle line. You just push it in. Yeah, the paper will sometimes get separated, which kind of sucks, but what can you do? So yeah, just run it along like this. Alright, and do the same thing you did on that side with this other side. Just want to make a valley fold in between each of these lines. So, like that. And just use your fingernail to press in and run it all the way up.
And just do that again with this.
And then once you're done, you should have 5 ridges. I don't know what else to call them. But yeah. And if you get an annoying edge like this, just do your best to fold it over like that. It's not going to be perfect, but it'll look alright. Like on this one. You'll see how there's like, it's not perfect around here, but it works well enough. And then once you're done with that, you just want to take this and then fold it over. Flatten out this top part and fold it over. And of course you can do this part without these ridges and it'll still look good. I just like to add the ridges because it looks more realistic. And then just want to fold that little part, get in a tiny zigzag fold like that, and then do the same thing again on this side, just a tiny zigzag fold, so that will create what looks like just another little edge thing like that. It's this, and then you just fold the whole thing back together to redefine the barrel aspects of it. Last but not least, take these edges from right here and just fold them in. I'll just round it off. And there you go. There's how you make an origami minigun. Thank you for watching, and I have more gun models I'm going to be making in the future and uploading. So please subscribe if you're new and enjoyed what you watched, and I'll catch you later.